Every night, you close your eyes. Your body goes still. The world fades, but your brain doesn't rest. In fact, that's when it begins one of its most important tasks. As you drift into sleep, your brain becomes a quiet archivist. It sorts through your day, the smiles you gave, the fears you hid, the things you said but didn't mean. And like a meticulous librarian, it files some memories deep into long-term storage. Others, it lets them dissolve, like dreams evaporating with the morning sun. But that's not all. While you lie unconscious, your brain starts dreaming. Scientists still don't know exactly why we dream. Some say it's emotional housekeeping. Others say it's your subconscious trying to speak. But whatever it is, sometimes dreams feel more real than anything in daylight. In your dreams, people you lost come back. Doors appear where there were none. Time bends. Logic melts. And yet, you understand it. Maybe because at night your mind is no longer busy pretending. It's no longer pretending to be productive, or strong, or okay. It just is. Think about this. If your brain could speak honestly while you're awake, would it sound like your dreams? Would it whisper fears you've buried, or remind you of joy you've forgotten? We often think sleep is when we disconnect, but maybe it's when we reconnect with ourselves. Every night your heart slows, your body softens, but inside your skull a world stirs, a world that doesn't need you to be normal or stable, just honest, just human. So the next time you wake up from a dream, strange, beautiful, or terrifying, ask yourself, what is my mind trying to tell me when I'm finally quiet enough to listen? Dreams are whispers from the depths of our soul, waiting for us to pause and pay attention. Embrace the mystery and let your dreams guide you. Listen closely and discover the secrets within.